earlier lesson, we learned how to gather different kind of keyword groups for keyword research using primary keyword, secondary keyword, and LSI keyword. So, in this lesson, we would be doing competitor research for primary keywords. So, why we need to do competitor research for primary keywords only? Primary keywords have the highest number of searches, and primary keywords are the one that we use for building our blog. So in earlier classes we learned that secondary keyword and LSI keywords are related to primary keyword. So our strategy would be to know that how to filter primary keywords which have the lowest competition among all these keyword groups. You see keyword number 3, 4, 5, these are the keyword groups. So we have already done all the primary, secondary and LSI keyword research for all the other 5 to 6 keyword groups here. So it is all done. So what we will do, we would be doing competitor research for primary keyword. So competitor research for primary keyword is done in three different ways. It is done in quotes. Second, it is done in title and then in URL. So how it is done in quotes? Let's see. So if our primary keyword is how to filter water for drinking, so what we will do, we will paste the keyword here and we will put this in quotes. So this is called in quotes keyword research. So what Google would be doing after getting this in quotes keyword as an input, it will start matching out all the keyword research in their Google search engine page. So it is saying that there are about 41,400 results which took 0.67 seconds. So now Google is showing me that search results that are matching this entire keyword phrase, how to filter water for drinking. So if you get to see, this is the matching words for this keyword, right? It is again saying how to purify water for drinking. So it will check the page title, the content, everything, and it will show you the desired results. So again, what we have to do, we would see that there are more than 41,400 results. That means competition for this kind of keyword, how to filter water for drinking. That means there are 41,400 competition websites for which you would be facing competition for this particular keyword. So what I will do, I will put in here 41,400. So again, if I want to do in title competitor research, I will put in here in title, INTITLE. So what it will do, it will search this particular keyword. So Google would be asking you all these details because we are doing the exact match of keyword research by using in quotes, in URL, and in title. So simply we have to click in I am not a robot and check the crosswords. So it says there are four results for in title keyword. So in title means this is the title how to filter water for drinking. There are only four websites. Title how to filter water for drinking. In Pinterest how to filter water for drinking. In my print space how to filter water for drinking. We can write four keywords and when we do any URL research then we will put in URL and then press enter. So it says there are about 5 results for this keyword which is using URL how to filter water for drinking. So here we have to put in 5. So if you see there are more than 41,409 websites in competition for this keyword, right? Similarly, we have to perform competitive research for another keyword groups. Similarly, we have to put in another primary keyword for keyword group number 2, keyword group number 3, primary keyword group number 4, keyword group number 5. Similarly, we have to do primary keyword research for in quotes. In quotes means putting this is in quotes. This is in quotes competition research. In title means this is in title semicolon. In URL we will put in URL. So in this way we would be doing competition research for primary keywords. So once we are done, what we have to do, we have to check out the total number of competition website numbers including in quotes, in title, in URL, and we have to see the figures, total figures for all the 5 keyword groups. So here we see that this keyword group has the lowest number of competitors for this particular primary keyword. So this particular primary keyword is good for starting a blog and ranking on Google. So this has got lower competition and it would be very easier for anybody using this keyword to rank on Google. So I hope that you have understood how to do competition research for primary keywords so that you can use these keywords for your blogs. So thanks a lot. See you tomorrow.